Best deals on saunas. Number 1. Botaro, deals on saunas. Maxxis low EMF saunas are constructed with the environment in mind, which accounts for our efforts in using reforested Canadian hemlock wood. Our sauna walls are double-paneled, constructed with the thickest interior and exterior wood planks compared to others in the same industry. This all translates to a quality sauna that retains heat more efficiently, heats up faster and wastes less energy. Maxxis 2-person model offers 6 low EMF infrared carbon energy efficient heating panels at 1750 watts that produces a wider, softer heat that is evenly distributed throughout the sauna. Our low EMF infrared carbon energy efficient heating panel heaters are 30% larger than saunas heated by ceramic tubes. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Radiant, deals on saunas. Far infrared heat provides relief to your body by warming your core temperature, loosening your muscles and easing joint pain. Each heater is perfectly positioned to provide steady heat throughout your body. This slim, 2-person sauna room is built for small spaces. Its minimal footprint fits snugly within your master bathroom, bedroom, basement, or gym. Enjoy the health benefits of regular sauna use right in your own home. As you relax in this luxurious sauna, your body works hard to keep your temperature down, burning calories and slimming your waist. Increased sweat production removes harmful toxins from your body. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Medical, deals on saunas. Most saunas are not energy efficient. They're usually 220 volts, and take huge amounts of power to run. The Medical 4 full spectrum sauna is built to save you money. It is energy efficient and only 120 volts. It only adds to about $10 a month in electric bill costs, which makes it one of the most efficient saunas ever made. Most saunas have straight backs and are hard to relax in. You can't lean back because you'll touch the heaters. When you ask the manufacturer for something to put between your back and the heaters, they make you pay more money for their backrests. The Medical 4 includes extreme relaxation backrests for free. It sets the perfect distance between you and the heaters. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Kanchana, deals on saunas. We installed 8 low EMF far infrared heating panels for this infrared sauna, which heats up quickly and does not hurt the skin. This is a dry sauna. Compared with other steam saunas, there is no need to deal with water vapor after use. You only need to carry a towel to wipe off your sweat. 3. Indoor sauna. The expected service life of 1-person sauna is 14 years, and putting it outdoors will affect the use effect and service life. There are Bluetooth audio and LED reading lights inside. 4. Quality and safety. Sample electrical safety and low chemical substance rose test and certified by third-party TÜV. Our products are designed with mortise and tenon, easy to install and durable. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Albed, deals on saunas. 2 on the rear wall, 2 on each side wall, 1 under the bench and 1 on the floor. Carbon plate fever, be heated evenly. Overheat automatic power off system, safety and stability. Trapezoidal space design, have more enough space. Installation is simple, can be completed in 30 to 60 minutes following the instruction. Do not get the order wrong. Requires 2 people to install. Exterior lamp car MP3 internal control panel operating temperature, 3060 C. Left solid wood wallboard, right solid wood wallboard, front glass door, top cover ceiling plate, bottom plate, seat surface, seat front plate. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.